Jai Bharat to all students. In last lecture we have started new topic, types of organization structure, in which we have completed first structure, which is traditional structure. In traditional structure we also have three different types of traditional structure. One is line, second line and staff, and third is functional. Okay, so these three types of structure we already discussed. So that in this lecture we will talk about our second structure and third structure. Okay, second structure is product structure and third is matrix structure. Okay, in which also we have three different types. Okay. So first of all, starting that structure, where I will quickly review this traditional structure so you can get the better idea or better revision of that structure: line structure, line and staff structure, and functional structure. Okay, so line structure is a kind of structure that has a very specific line of command. Okay, order follow from the CEO to the employee. Okay, line of command. Okay, approval, orders, any decision. Okay, it's follow the kind of structure from top to bottom. Okay, like this: board of director gives order to the managing director, it gives order to the production manager and financial manager, and production manager gives to the works manager, then foreman, supervisor, workman, like this. Order and decision, any decision related to the company, which follow always from top to the bottom. It's a line structure always in the small company. Okay, it does not works in the large company. Okay, line structure is always on a then advantage simplicity. Okay, decision promote करे, discipline is there, economical is there, attraction to the talented person because from the line organization. Okay, then a line and staff, it's a upgraded version or improved version of line structure. Okay, in that we have a line structure also, but we have some expert are in there. Okay, this economics, legal advisor, which they have give the direction, okay, guidance to the workers. Okay, line is there, line structure, this is a line structure, but this dotted line is a staff. Okay, staff means particularly expert for department, particular expert. Okay, so financial manager gives direct advice from the legal advisor, which is a expert in that department. Here economics is also expert in their economics department, so it gives the direction or guidance to the marketing manager. Okay, so this dotted line is our staff, which has a expert person, but this perfect line, black line, is our line organization. Okay, so it's upgraded or a updated version of line organization. Okay, line and staff, it works in the large organization or company. Then its advantage is less burden on executive. Why? Because there is a specialist, there is a experts are there in there. Okay, so owner and executive has a less burden. Then service of expert is available. Then decision should be perfect sound because there is a expert specialist of their particular department. Then limited tension on line manager. Why? Because there is a expert or service, so that take down the pressure on the main manager. Okay, then benefit of specialization. Okay, if there is a specialization, they have work experience 10 years, 15 years. Okay, so they give their guidance or work experience to the worker, so it will give our specialization in the benefits. Then also our employee gets a training from that super expert and specialist from that particular department. Okay, then functional structure works in the based on their perform in their professional life. Okay, how different types of workers, okay, function performed by them in the organization, what work you do in the any organization. Okay, that types of according to their function. Okay, which works you give to the company. Okay, at that type they classify functional structure. Okay, like this: vice president group, sales department, customer service department. These are the some different department. Functional customer service only works in the customer service, customer problem. Okay, so these are the organization works on the particularly function. Engineering department, production department, accounting, salary department. Okay, administrative department, like this. Okay, so we give classification based on their function. Okay, so these three structure we already discussed in the last lecture and advantages. Okay, now second types of organization, in which first is and second is divisional structure. Okay, in which also we have three types of structure: product structure, market structure, and geographic structure. Okay, divisional structure. And okay, so divisional structure, what is division? This kind of structure that is based on different division. Okay, like if you study in the school or college, you have some division: A division, B division, like this. Okay, so in company or any organization there is also be some different division. Okay, so these types of structure divide the based on their division. Okay, different division in the organization. So this structure can be further divided into: one is product structure. Okay, product structure. Okay, let's say in any company there is a work of 3 to 4 different types of work. Okay, so there should be a 3 to 4 different types of employees there. Okay, so we have to divide that company based on product. Okay, let's say now a product structure is based on organization employee and work on the basis of different types of product, which types of product they will produce. Okay, in any organ, let's say company produce 3 different types of product, 3 all different, so they will have 3 different division for this product. Simple. Okay, let's say with the help of figure you get the better idea, like this. Okay, CEO is there, corporate manager is there, but in company they have 3 division. One is production of washing machine, one is lighting division, and one is television division. Okay, so one company is making 3 types of, let's say assume said Apple. Okay, Apple have iPad different division, mobile phone, iPhone. Okay, laptop, PC, Mac. Okay, so these types of 3 different product are there for the one particular company. Okay, so they have divide their product and differentiate their worker based on their product. Okay, if you are making iPhone, so you will place in the iPhone department. Okay, then iPad department, then Apple, PC, Mac department. Okay, laptop department. Okay, so like this. So one company is there, they will make the different types of product. So product structure means we have to divide it based on their product. Simple. Here they have given washing machine division, lighting division, television division, in which they have 4 different types of employees are there. Okay, so this is a simple product structure. Okay, what is the advantages? Okay, coordination within the product lines made easier. Why? Because we only have make the employee in the washing machine division. Okay, so coordination with the other employee are made easier. More adaptable to changing environment. Why? Because let's say a company is not making sale of that particularly washing machine division. Okay, so they will shut down if there is a no profit. Okay, so can shut down a division when product is no longer selling. Okay, so it's added. They do not have to completely close all the company. Okay, just only have to shut down one particularly product division. Okay, if there is if it is follow product structure. And responsibility for failure and success is identifiable. If a washing machine division is making success in the selling department, so that success will be measured. That washing machine worker manager should give their best. Okay, if it is a failing, then that particularly division of product division is failing. Okay, so there is a responsibility for failures and success also. And also competition across division can be, okay, this different division we have competition. Okay, it's called it can be motivational. Okay, so this is a product structure. Next, second is a market structure. Okay, as a word say market structure is used to group employee on the basis of specific market. Market structure is used to group employee on the basis of specific market. A company could have 3 different market they use, and according to this structure each would be a separate division. Okay, market means like this. Okay, CEO, corporation, corporate manager. Large business customer which dealing with a large your product large. Okay, small business customer like small business shop like this. Then educational institute, individual customer also. Okay, let's say if there is a Apple company in which large business means one company orders every year 1000 mobile phone, 1000 PC. Okay, so it's a large business customer are there. Then small business customer means from online employment there should be requirement of 2 to 3 PC or laptop or mobile phone, so it's called small business customer. Then in educational, like our in RNWIET, we will require the many laptop from different company, Apple, Samsung, HP. Okay, so it's called educational institute, educational customer. Then individual customer, if I want to buy iPhone or iPad or Mac. Okay, so it's I will categorize an individual customer. Okay, so company should work on that market structure. Okay, what are their large business customer are there, what is their small business customer are there, what is educational institute are there in the area, what are the requirement for educational institute, and what are the requirement for individual customer. Okay, so based on that they will make product available. Okay, so based on different market structure they will provide our product. Okay, so success will be there and more selling to be done. So it is a market structure. Okay, they have divided different types of specific types of market. Okay, then one last from the divisional structure is geographic structure. Okay, what is geography? A large organization have offices at different place. Large organization, as a word says geographic means different place. Large organization have offices at different place. For example, there could be a north zone, south zone, west and east zone also. Okay, so these types of organization structure would follow a zonal regional structure. Let's say in our railway, you can see that our in Gujarat we have Western Railway. Okay, so Gujarat, Mumbai and that types of region or state will follow Western Railway. Then we have Northern Railway, Southern Railway, Eastern Railway. Why? Because India is a big country. Okay, so there we have large network of railway. Okay, so we have to divide based on regional, based on geographic structure, where is there a different place. Okay, so based on we have divided railway based on our places: Western Railway, Northern Railway, Southern Railway and Eastern Railway. Okay, so this is called geographic structure, and that Western Railway have one manager is there, Northern Railway has one manager is there, Southern Railway is one manager is there. Okay, so it follow zonal regional structure. So this is a geographic structure. Okay, then matrix structure last. First of all is a functional, then divisional, and this is a matrix. Okay, in division we have studied 3 types of structure: product, market and geographic. And first we have studied traditional structure. Okay, traditional, divisional and matrix structure. Okay, so traditional also have three different types: line staff and functional. Divisional has three different types also. One is product, market and geographical structure. Okay, so and our next is a matrix structure. Okay, what is a matrix organization structure? Okay, so this is a matrix structure in which, let's say, one is a president or owner. Okay, there is a vice president of design, vice president of manufacturing, vice president of finance, vice presidents of marketing and human resources department. Okay, so these are all the director of their product. Okay, vice president or director, or you can say principal. Okay, then we have, sorry, okay, we have product manager A. Okay, in which product manager A should work in the vice president division. Okay, let's say product manager A has a 4 types, 4 employee. Okay, so one is a design vice president. This, so for employee 1 they have 2 bosses, vice president of design and product manager A. Okay, here this second number employee also have 2 boss. Okay, 2 leader. Okay, vice president of manufacturing and product manager A, like this. Okay, so this is a some complex organization of matrix structure. Okay, so we have 2 boss, vice president and product manager. Okay, like this. So this is a sample of matrix organization structure. Okay, this structure, which is a combination of function, this is a based on function. Okay, we already discussed function. Okay, designing function, manufacturing, finance, marketing, we already discussed function. Okay, based on their function. So it's a combination of, this is a functional and this is a product. Okay, so this functional is our traditional first structure. Okay, and our product is a divisional structure. Okay, yes, second, in which we have products divisional. Okay, so this is a combination of traditional structure and divisional structure. In traditional, functional, and divisional, product based. Okay, so this structure, which is a combination of function and product structure, this combines both the best of the both worlds and make an efficient organization structure. Okay, product manager has a specialized in a product manager, then manufacturing vice president is, it's also a specialized, okay, expert. So this structure is the most complex organization. As a figure we can know that this is some complex organization. Okay, a subordinate in matrix structure may receive instruction from 2 bosses. Okay, as I said earlier, let's say this 6 number of employee receive command from the manufacturing of vice president also and product manager B also. Okay, so they have employee gets the order from the 2 leader, 2 boss. Okay, so they have received instruction for the 2 boss, all the employee. Okay, so managers groups people by functional and product teams simultaneously, they work simultaneously. So result in a complex network of reporting relation. If we have to report, there is a complex network of, okay, and very flexible and can respond rapidly to change. Okay, if I want to say, let's say I want to this product one product is there D. If I want to, let's say in Apple, I want to close down iPad. Okay, so just we have to remove these types of employee. Okay, so it's a flexible and can respond to rapidly to change. Okay, each employee has a two bosses which can causes problem. Yes, functional manager, product manager ABCD gives different direction than product manager, and employee cannot satisfy both. That caused a problem. Okay, what are the advantages? It attempts to retain the benefit of both the structure, functional and project organization. Okay, so we give the two benefit from the one organization. Okay, coordinate resources in a way that applies them effectively to the different project. Okay, so if I want to give the direction or instruction to the different product, I will give, and I will also make the coordinate resources. Okay, staff can retain membership on teams and their functional department colleges. Okay, so this 6 number also works with this manufacturing department and this product manager department also. Okay, so staff can work in two department. Okay, functional department as well as product department. Okay, and what is the disadvantage? It's a potential for conflict between functional versus project groups. Okay, as I said earlier, leaders or boss can give two different direction to the employee. Okay, so it cannot satisfy them both. Then there is a greater administrative, as I said, product manager A, B, C and D, and also vice president, different type. So there is a more administrative department. Okay, and also increase in manager overhead. Okay, this all are the manager. Okay, so we have to give the salary as per their product manager, as per their vice president. Okay, so it draws somehow costly structure and complex structure. Okay, so these are the matrix organization structure. Okay, so now we have completed types of organization structure. One is traditional, in which we have learned 3 different types of traditional. Then divisional, in which also we have 3 different types of structure, and last is matrix. Matrix is only a one structure. Okay, it's a combination of 2, traditional and divisional. Okay, so now we have completed your organization structure, types of organization structure. Okay, so these are your assignment question. Short note on divisional structure, 3 types of, and short note on matrix. Simply you have to draw figure. Okay, do not write a paragraph or anything. Simple, you can draw with the figure also, and upload it in RNWIET application for attendance purpose. Okay, so now your lecture is completed.